Hi, this is Amory from Mati. I will cover in this short video two simple concepts, but very important to integrate Mati about error codes as well as statuses. So when you receive a new identity verification in a webhook, you have the resource URL. With this resource URL, you are able to access the details of the verification. Here is an example. And so for every single check that Mati makes, there is always a status, basically. And sometimes when it finds an issue, there is also an error that is included. So let me start with the status. The status that you see here, for instance, for face match, is in 200. 200 means that Mati finished to process this identity check. If the status is in 100, it means that Mati is still doing the processing of the check. So the result is not out there yet. And if it's in status 0, it means that Mati has not even started the check. For instance, in the case of a user that has not uploaded their selfie, well, we could not start the check, right? We need to have the selfie to do the face match. So you can find that recap here in that section. And then the second thing I want to say is that inside your webhook, you will see in the resource URL, if there's an issue, you will see that there will be an error. So an error will be included inside the check, so that if the status is in 200, which means that the check has been processed and is finished, and you have an error, it means that there is a problem with this user. Let's take face match as an example. If we perform a face match and the score is too low, then we will tell it to you through an error inside the face match. And so that way you know that you should manually verify that user because there's a problem with the face match. It may be a different user, so you want to review that manually probably. So you have the recap of the table here of the different errors that we provide for each check and the different reasoning behind each error. So that's pretty much it. I hope you enjoyed the video and don't hesitate to reach out.